In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a TXT record in GoDaddy. So the first thing you want to do is just make sure you're signed in to your GoDaddy account, and then you can click on your profile name in the top right hand side. We're then going to select My Products. Now scroll down to where you'll see all of your different domains, and then we just need to click on the DNS button next to the domain that we want to go and add the record to. And what we need to do is scroll down to the DNS records, and we're going to click this Add New Record button. Once you've selected this, you can scroll down, and here we can go and add our text record. So for the type, click on the drop down arrow and change this to TXT. Now for the name, you're just going to typically type in the @ symbol unless instructed otherwise, and this is going to target your root domain. For the value, this is where you need to go and add your text record that you want to add to your domain. And for the TTL, I just like to keep mine set to half an hour, and then we can go and press save. And just like that, that's how you add a text record in GoDaddy. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.